So check out this door jam over here. This light switches. Look at that. Look at how nasty. See all the stuff around that? See all the gunk? That's because on a regular basis you should just do something like this. Look, watch. Bam! 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 Nothing special, just some Clorox cleaner. Look at that. I mean, come on. That's all it takes. You do that to all your light fixtures, all your door handles, knobs, banisters, any place where you touch this guy right here. See this box right here? Watch. Electric stuff, you don't want to hit it right on as much, but you can give it a couple of shots. It'll take it. It'll handle it. Oops. Fried myself. And there you go. See, it's that easy. And you just want to do those, every time you clean. Just wipe things, and then it doesn't have to. All it's got to be is a quick squirt, and it's done. Otherwise, it becomes a big old. See how
this here and this here are done.
Stuff like that. Handles, door handles, light switches, thermometers. Anything where you're going to be putting your hands a lot. There's always going to be some smudges, some dirty spots, and then dry it up when you're done. Bam-a-llama. As long as we're here, check out this board, this baseboard. Look at how dirty that is. Right along the bottom here. Can you see that? Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. Again, just a little shot of the Clorox. Back and forth. Booty back and forth, and it's already done. We can do the same thing on the other side. Places like this, little jams, little floor jams, baseboards, that's where dust will collect. Just takes a quick one of these. It's nice and clean, it's brighter, it's happier, and probably healthier for you too, because you don't got that nasty shit floating around. So that's just short on how to do stuff like that on this old dirty house. See you next time on This Old Dirty House, when we're going to do the kitchen, man, and that's nasty. It's almost as bad as that toilet was. This old dirty house.
If you like what you've seen, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to light up that bell so you don't miss anything.